Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. Behind me, I have the Jayco Jay Flight SLX7 195RB. The RB stands for rear bath, and guys, this is a super short single axle floor plan. It weighs under 3,200 pounds dry, so that means it's towable by a lot of light trucks and large SUVs. Let's pop up inside and check it out. So, close that door behind me, make it nice and quiet for us. Here inside, we're right here at the back where we have our entrance, and as soon as we come through the door, we have a big hanging closet with a shelf down below. That's plenty of space to hang up your jackets and also act as a secondary storage spot for all of your goods. Behind me here, our bathroom consists of our foot flush toilet and a nice large shower with a skylight up above to give us extra headroom for those tall guys. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'm 6'3". I do have headspace, and check it out. I can even clear the air conditioner without bending or ducking. That's pretty nice. This AC is direct dump, so it's coming straight down into this space, but this is so small that it's going to fill it up quickly, so there's no need for it to be ducted. To this side of me, we have yet more storage in the form of a 3-drawer pantry there. We have a pretty small kitchenette in the form of a 2-burner stove, a small sink, as well as our microwave up top, some more storage around it, and down low we have our refrigerator. You simply lift up on this tab, give it a pull, and you can see that we have standard refrigeration space, as well as, let me pull that down, a little freezer space up top too. So that's kind of nice. Again, this is a small camper, so it's not built with big long trips in mind. It is built with couples in mind. However, that said, you could house another guest, given that this table will drop down and form into a bed by having the cushions slide out on top of it. Up above it, we have a little bit more storage, as well as a head unit. It's the RV Technologies head unit. So that has Bluetooth and can connect to your phone. That's kind of nice. In the very front of our unit here, we have our bed. Now, this is a Serta mattress, so a Serta memory foam. It's very comfortable. And if you notice, on both sides of our bed, we have some pretty big windows. That's going to allow us to open it up and get a cross breeze if we're camping out in prime conditions, you know, where you have those nice cool evenings where you just want a breeze to come through and you don't necessarily want to run that loud AC. There's plenty of storage around it in the form of our shelving and our hanging closets. And then, just like many RVs on the market today, there's also storage up under the bed. And as you see, it links straight to our pass-through storage as well, that's accessible from the outside. On either side of our bed, I'll note that we do have plugs, so you can plug up and charge your phone as well. This is also wired for solar, so it's ready to rock and roll. It's all preset. We can plug and play there. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this tour of the 195RB from Jayco. Until next time, happy camping.